everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Mizuki Arts. Don't mind how messy this angle is. My desk is just a chaotic wreck right now. It's been a long couple of weeks and I'm just working through the mess at this point, basically. But I have a very exciting package here with me today from Woomer, a art supply company that's gained a little bit of traction online lately in the art community. They make lots of fun stuff. They're a very affordable art brand, so I like to highlight affordable stuff a lot on the channel, and they offered to send me some watercolors, so I have them finally here in the mail today. I've been waiting, and I also have a discount code for you guys. It will be up on screen. Full disclosure, I do get a cut of commission, so it is a great way to support the channel and also helps to make these already affordable watercolors a little bit more affordable for you guys. But yeah, we're gonna get into this. We're going to give it an honest review, and yeah, we're just gonna use it to paint some fun stuff today. Probably a fairy, most likely a fairy. And yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay, it is now out of the box and all of its packaging. It was very well protected, like very much sealed in a couple layers of like bags, bubble wraps, foam, like very well protected. It comes with a swatch card. This is a 24 color set. It has these little pools for like mixing, and you can see it on the outside, and it kind of looks like, I don't know, like a mint colored chocolate bar. I really like that. I think it's very stylish. This side has some pools for mixing too, a different shape, or like they're a little smaller. So if you have like more colors that you're working with, if that makes sense, like more colors that you're mixing, but like you're working with like a little amount, you have some different size pools to work with, which I think is very, very thoughtful. I think the range of colors looks pretty good, although obviously we will give a more in-depth analysis of that when we actually like start painting. But yeah, I like that these little pans come out. I think these are they half pans or full pans? I don't even know. I've never learned the pan sizes, even through my 2.5 years of arts education. I have an associate's in visual arts illustration. I never learned the pan sizes. Like, it just never came up because we never used pan watercolors. But this is a really lovely set for travel, and it looks like you can take this out too, which is amazing. Oh my goodness. So you could take that out and maybe use this for brushes if you wanted to, or have more room for mixing, which is really, really nice. It's very compact. It feels very sturdy too. I'm definitely, like, if I use this a lot, which I probably will because I like the feel of it so far, I'm probably gonna put some stickers on the outside. There's certainly plenty of room for stickers. So let's see what the quality of the paint is like. Right off the bat, something I can tell you that I've noticed about higher quality paints is that a lot of them have like a slight sheen to them right when you open the packaging, when they're pan sets. They're not crazy glossy, but they're usually not like dusty or dull looking. They still look like they have a lot of pigment and a slight sheen to them. That's usually how I tell I'm looking at least a high quality student grade paint. I think when you're looking at a high quality professional grade paint, you may notice, at least when it's straight out of the tube. I'm not sure about pan high quality professional sets because I think most professional watercolors do not come in pans. They're usually tubes. I think usually they have like a lot of gloss to them. That's usually how you tell it's like a professional quality. But like I mentioned earlier in this video, Woomer is a affordable kind of art supply company. They make quality products for a like affordable, reasonable price, and these definitely feel like high quality student grade watercolors. They blend and layer really, really nicely. They have a lot of pigment to them. They activate very, very well, and at the same time they don't reactivate super easily on the paper, which I really appreciate. You can see these first couple layers even look super rich and pigmented because these are nice quality paints. I think Woomer did a very, very good job.
They also seem to mix very, very well, which I greatly appreciate. Some watercolors you really can't mix because the paint quality kind of goes down as you mix them. There's definitely some paint sets I've tried to mix before where you try to mix and things just kind of look muddy or gray. But this set does not have that problem, which I really appreciate. I also really loved the build of the actual set while working with this because there were lots of like little bumps and divots and pools where I could mix different amounts of the colors that I needed, and I could also easily kind of move things around with my brush because they weren't like too deep, if that makes sense. It was just a really nice mixing experience. And talking about color and mixing also makes me want to bring up the actual color range in the paint set. For those of you who aren't familiar, when you are working with watercolor paints, you need warm and cool tones of all of your primaries. With the exception of a few techniques, you really don't use white paint at all, which this set does not include a white paint, which I'm actually happy about because I always feel like I end up wasting the white watercolor paints in sets because I just don't use it. The white of your paper is supposed to be your white. In addition, this set also includes plenty of blue greens, plenty of warm reds, cool reds, warm yellows, cool yellows, green blues, like blues that you would use to mix green, or purple blues, like a purple that is more suited to mixing a purple. These things might not sound important, like you might go, oh, don't I just need one of each primary? But in the end, how you layer pigments together when you are mixing is going to affect how light works with it, because you are not just seeing the finished color, you are also seeing the undertones underneath it. The way that color works is that your material absorbs all but one shade of one particular color. So when you mix to create a new color, those undertones do matter. You are seeing those undertones combined into a new color. So the fact that this set was thoughtfully put together enough to include warm and cool tones, yellow and red tones, different shades of brown so that you don't have to try and mix and get the right one. It's just very, very well thought out, and I especially appreciate that they did not include a white watercolor paint, again, just because when you are doing traditional watercolor painting, again, you really do not use that white paint unless you're using a very, very specific technique. So for a travel size set like this, for most people, it's going to be kind of a waste of space. But anyway, I was really enjoying using this set to paint our little fairy here. As you can see, I layered a lot of these pinks and greens and blues and stuff together to get like this minty kind of medieval look she's got going on. I'm calling her medieval loosely. She's definitely just like a fantasy girly, like usual for me. She doesn't really have any particular like theme going. A lot of my fairies do have like a particular theme that they have throughout their design, but this girly, she's just kind of like crystal coated, you know, she's got all these pearls and beads kind of draped around her. And then she has these pink flowers surrounding her as well, which I actually ended up painting into the pattern of the border there. And then I glued her over this green background that I created with an ink, and added lots of sparkles with white acrylic paint. And I decided to just kind of leave her like that, nice and simple, just letting the colors do most of the talking. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys sticking with me to the end of this video. Let me know what you think about this painting, and whether you'll be picking up a set of these paints yourself. Before my final thoughts and I finish off the video, I want to give a shout out to my Ko-fi supporters. So thank you so much to Ashley, Savvy, Tiffany, and Lilycorn. Your guys' support means the world to me and allows me to keep making videos just like this one. If you would like to join my Ko-fi page, there will be a link in the description box down below where you can get all these benefits and so much more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much to Woomer for sending me these paints. There will be a link in the description box down below, along with my discount code, so you guys can go check them out. Thank you guys and have a great week.